Hi everybody! Today I am working on a piece of glass. It's 11 by 14, I think. I had bought a picture frame and I thought I would just pour on the glass. Now I'm using a bunch of leftover, well not a bunch, but a few leftover paint colors. This is one that I mixed myself. I think it's phthalo blue and green mixed together. This one is eggplant, and I think that is from FolkArt. And this one is from the Fine Touch, and that is teal. And then this is Artist Loft bronze, and I actually think that there is some alcohol in this one for sure. There's alcohol. And then I'm going to use my white, which you can tell is my most used color probably because it's a dirty, the bottle is filthy dirty. Anyway, so we're going to get started. I just wiped off my glass, that was it, and made sure there's no dust and it's clean. So I'm going to start with some white in the bottom. Then I'm going to pour this pretty color in there. Put a little bronze in there. I think I'm going to go, I don't have a lot of the eggplant. Dump all that out. I do have violet if I need to. I'm sure somewhere in my mixed colors I've got a purple made up. Okay, and some white. And then teal. A little bit more bronze, and some more of this pretty color. I do like mixing my own also, just because you can come up with some really pretty colors. Alright, I'm going to take the last of the bronze and just go through the middle. Like that. And I'm not sure if I want to put a little bit more purple. I have a violet, the Fine Touch violet made up. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna put a little bit more on the top. There we go. Alright, just a little bit. And now over. Alright, there we go. Let that sit in the corner. Ooh, that looks so pretty right there. I love this. All my paints are mixed with Floetrol, Liquitex, and then some water, a little bit of water. Alright, I'm going to get my torch. I see some air bubbles there, kind of big ones. I'm going to pop those. Alright, I don't even want to move it, it's so pretty. you guys a close-up so you can see some of the cool spots in here. I think that is my favorite part. This turned out really cool. I'm very excited to see how it looks when it's all done and framed. That looks really pretty too, how the colors all blended like that. Alright, so there it is, and I will be back so you can see it all finished and framed. Alright. Hey everybody, so I'm back to show you my painting is all done and in the frame. I painted a frame, it was brown, so I painted it white. I thought white was the best color to make it stand out. I almost went with gold because there was a little bit of gold in there, but I thought the white was best. So it turned out really good, I think. I like it quite a bit, and I like the color combination. So there it is, all done. And thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.